What is audience targeting in Amazon PPC and when should it be used? Audience targeting basically can be in different ways. It can be through sponsored product ads, that is your regular ad type when you're going to target specific categories. So there you're not targeting necessarily a specific audience, but you're targeting the audience within the category. So for example, if I'm targeting the phone category or iPhone category, that is the audience I'm targeting. Or if I'm targeting a mouse, for example, that is the audience I'm targeting. Now, from all departments, basically all the main categories, there are also subcategories that you can targeting. Really important when it comes down to this is that also something newer. It's called AMC, Amazon Marketing Cloud. That is right now something that we're testing also on the brands that we manage. And that is actually some way of audience targeting, meaning that you can target specific people who took specific actions. So either they already checked out your ads, either they did any specific action they interacted in a way or other with your ads. So that can also become audience targeting in this case. When should you use it? Specifically, you should use it once that you have either more data on the people that you exactly want to target. Here, a clear example, if you're in a specific category, let's say you're in phone accessories category, and you want to target specific brands where you have a competitive advantage against. Say your listing has a 5-star rating and you have 3,000 reviews and you are selling at $9.99, for example, your iPhone case, you could target all the competitors that have lower amount of reviews, that have poorer listings, so they are not very optimized. You can target also specific brands that are not yours, or if you want to go strategic, you can target only your brand. So that is going to be an audience targeting defense strategy, or here protect strategy, as we like to call it in ScaleWave. So you can use it that way. With the AMC, the way how we are using it right now is we are going to target, of course, this is one of the strategies, but it's something that you can replicate easily, is we're going to look back to whoever interacted with our ads and retarget them. That is something that we see it works successfully on the brands that we manage.